Yeah.
Damn, this girl's my type. Let me go. Sit. How's it? Let me go west. I'm coming. Damn. You know what I'm saying? You know the thing, this girl there, she's afraid of the camera, eh? But let me see what we can do now. See? These girls, they're afraid of me. Okay. You know what I'm saying? We do the things, man. So where are we going now, boys? There. Okay, let's go. So what's the plan for today? See, this girl was afraid of the camera, but we're gonna see what we're gonna do. Let's see. 2. Let's see, man. The age is too much. Those guys, they look. Let me wait here because I know I can fall. Look at those beautiful girls. Let me see what I can do here. Oh, that's crazy, man. That's crazy. Let me pick up this one. Let me see what I can do here. You know what I'm saying? The fear, like, look at this girl. This girl is smiling at me. So guys, hey, you know, the situation is not giving. The situation is hard. But let me see what I can do here. I'm just seeing those old girls. But what do you think, my man?
My brother, you can even ask that mama, man. This is about the outfit, you know.
Okay. Me, I also want to pick them up. What can I say? Pick them up. There's a university there or what? Where? This one. Is this a girl there? Let's go there. This one. It's a girl. It's a mother. I thought maybe it's a girl. Okay. You know what I'm saying? There's a group is coming. You guys, you know, I'm just afraid of one girl. But when it comes to 10, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 girls, I'm not afraid. You know what I'm saying? So let me wait for these girls. You know what I'm saying? Okay. Let me wait here. You know, guys, I've never dated a white girl before. I'm looking for a white girl. If you're a white girl and seeing this one, you have to come to my DM. Let me see. So what are you doing today, guys? What are you doing? Like, I'm really afraid. Pick up lines. Okay. Hello. How's it? She's afraid of the cow. She's afraid of the camera. Okay. My brother, I don't disappoint. Me. Wait. Let's see. Hello guys. How's it? Let me go with this one. Yeah. Wait, my sister. Yeah. Hello. How's it? Hey, why do you look like my tail like this? Wait. Hey, wait. Where are you going? What are you up to? Where are you going?
To the mall.
To the mall. Hey, where did you get that?
Anna Kaisan.
Where did you get that?
Sisi pasano see.
Talk to me. Tell me, where did you get that?
Sisi pasano
Why you doing? Don't know how. I'll close your face. I don't know how. I'll close your face. Like I will play your face. Don't know. So what's your name?
I'm evil.
Me and Praise. Why do you look like my type like this?
I don't know.
Where did you get that?
I don't know.
Like that beautiful smile, yeah? How old are you?
I'm 21 years old.
21?
Yes.
Yeah, like my type.
That's so much information.
Like I just want to know more about you.
No.
Why? Okay, I know what is. I want you to. This one is my brand. So I want you to rate my outfit out of a 10.
10 out of 10, yeah.
10 out of 10.
Yes.
What about me?
10 out of 10.
10 out of 10. Is it? So I can take you out for a date or a dinner or something else.
Okay, you can.
So I can grab your numbers.
Yes.
So are you on Instagram? WhatsApp? What? Are you Instagram girl or don't go for Instagram?
I only use WhatsApp.
Only WhatsApp. Okay. So do you go to school or?
Yes, I go to school.
Okay. You said your name is.
So Mila is.
So let me just save wifey so that I won't forget. Okay, so bye.
Sure.
WhatsApp you. You know what I'm saying? Me, I always tell this nigga that I don't play. I just got them numbers. Yeah. Okay, let's go. Where are you going? Let's go for part 2. I just got the numbers. I got the numbers. You know those big boosts. I'm gonna. Okay, let's go. Let's get it. Alright, let's see this one. Yeah, another group. I told you guys, me, I go for groups now. Let me see this group. Like I know 3 girls, I will not miss one. You know what I'm saying? Let's wait for this one. Okay, how's it? I good. You're okay. Huh? Why are you anything? Don't run, Munife. I'll wait. Wow, okay guys. Wait guys. Wait guys, we don't want to run the whole town. I just want to ask something. Don't run. I just want to ask something. Wait. Why? Are you afraid of the camera? Okay, I will blur your face. Oh, okay, wait. I will blur your face.
No, it's fine.
Okay, let me just ask something. Okay, let me just ask something. Something.
No?
But we wanna go together there. If you keep on ignoring me, we're going together there.
What do you want?
Okay, guys. I just want to ask a simple question now. So, I'm a fashion designer. So this is my brand. You see, this one and this one. I'm the one who makes this one. Can you rate it out of a 10?
Yeah?
Can you rate this one and this one out of a 10? I'm a fashion designer. I'm the one who makes this one.
You're a fashion designer.
Yeah.
Okay.
So where are you running to?
It's a solid 8 out of 10.
Solid 8. What about you?
9.
What about you?
But
I think I know you from somewhere.
I don't know literally.
I'm sure. Maybe in my dreams. For real. Where did you get that?
What?
That beautiful smile. By the way, what's your name? By the way, what's your name?
Huh?
By the way, what's your name?
Annalisa.
Are you on Instagram? Or on Facebook or on WhatsApp? Or maybe I can just grab your WhatsApp number. And then I will just text you.
There's no need.
There's need.
I don't want you on my WhatsApp.
Okay, maybe Instagram.
It's Annalisa_.
The reason why, you see, my phone is on flight mode, ne? So if I switch on the data, the notifications will disturb my recording. So let me just grab your numbers quickly. Then you give me your Instagram on WhatsApp.
No, it's fine.
Why?
I don't want your numbers on my WhatsApp.
No. I want you my numbers in your WhatsApp, but you don't want. Why? Okay. You can just give me.
Write it on your notes. Write it in your notes.
No, I don't have a notebook. I deleted it.
Okay.
You can just give me 9, then I will guess the last one.
Show me. I'll fuck your number.
You can give me 9. You can give me 9. I'll guess the last one. So. What did you say? You can give me 9, then I'll guess the last one.
Yeah, go be invading my space. So please.
I will blade. Okay, still anyway, thank you guys. So you said the Instagram is
Annalisa_Mapukat.
What about you? You're not on Instagram. What about this one? She's not on Instagram. So guys, can you please subscribe on my YouTube channel later?
Okay.
Like say praise Makara. Praise Makara. Okay, so thank you guys. Alright guys, just see. It's a L. It's an L loose. But yeah. Let's move. Let's go inside there and see what's popping. See what's popping there. There's no girls there. I'm saying that's crazy, man. That's crazy. Let's go. Oh, you know, I always like it when I see a group of girls, you know. Because many men they are polygamous by nature, but yeah, let's see. Let me go and fish and see what I can get. Yeah, I'm saying. I vibrated, guys. I vibrated. I'm shaking. The streets are dry, man, but you know the thing. Yeah, the great man is the great man. How can you do it? How can you do it? I don't know why you got it. What is kangi? What's the next move here? What's the next move? Oh, let's go there. You know the problems with mics. It only captures you only. You see that thing, that black thing. It will cover all other surrounding sound. You see. So the mic will only cover you only. You know what I'm saying? Thank you. It's an L. An L. 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 You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? So yeah, guys, it seems like we got something here. So Can you go for it or? Okay, let's wait for the call to end and see what I can do here. This one is a Zimbabwean, but they are being chowed by Nigerians. Fuck those girls. Fuck those girls. Let me wait and see what's gonna take place here. Let me ask this one. How's this? I'm good. Hey, you're looking so beautiful today. Is it because you're eating those nice chips?
Maybe.
Yeah, maybe. So like I'm a fashion designer, like I make this stuff and this one is my brand. Can you rate it out of a 10? Can you rate this one out of a 10? I'm the one who makes this one.
100 out of 10.
1 out of a 10. Why is it you give
100
me
out of 10.
100? Oh, she said.
It's a great quality.
Oh, thank you, sis. Like I'm saying, by all means, spread the label in the streets. You know what I'm saying? But anyways, thank you, sis. Let's go, guys. Here, let's go here, guys. Let's go here. You know what I'm saying? This girl is just keeping on sleeping, running away, running. But you gotta keep on following. You know what I'm saying? This is a nice sweep, bro. This is a nice sweep. Let's go. Oh, how's it? What's your name? You don't have a name. How is that possible? You're wearing earphones when talking to someone.
I don't want to talk. I'm hungry. It's so hot. I don't want to talk. I'm
So the hotness. Come on, man. But you can just put at least one earphone. At least. What's your name? Melissa. Why are you looking so beautiful today? You're glowing. Like, is it because of the sun or you're born like that? Or it's because of grapes? You like grapes too much. Because grapes they make people glow.
Really?
Yeah, like for real. So
Maybe it's this. I don't know.
yeah, where did you get that?
My parents.
That beautiful smell.
Thank you.
So parents who gave you again. So what are you up to? Like, what are you doing here? Are you going? You listen, this guy. Where are you going? I'm going home from school. Where do you learn? Where do you learn? Which school do you go to? CPS. Oh, this one. So what program are you doing?
Urban and regional planning.
Oh, when are you finishing?
3 years.
3 years.
Yes.
So where are you from?
Gabon.
Gabon. Oh, son, Gabon. There's beautiful ladies like this. I thought maybe it's only from Zimbabwe where there's beautiful ladies. But I see now even Gabon, South Africa. Or once ago.
Okay. But I see you in Japan.
I don't meet someone or my friend.
Guys, come you already here, but we come and join the
But she's coming there.
She's coming there.
Yeah.
And don't dinner.
That's us. She got a boyfriend. It's an L again, but yeah, you know what I'm saying? Your boy doing the things, man. Yeah. You guys, you should subscribe. You guys, watch till the end. It's not easy. It's not easy. That's the type, my boy. That's the type, bro. But I think I should do pickup lines with this hot moms. You see, you know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? I think I should do pickup lines on those hot moms. Don't you think so, my bro? Let's see what I can do here. Oh, I think you're waiting for me. How's it? Where did you get that? That beautiful smell. Where are you from? Obs. Okay. Like, are you a South African, a Zimbabwean, or South African? Oh, that's beautiful South African. Yeah. So, which school do you go to? I see you have a lot of books and stuff.
First graduation.
What program are you doing?
Hospitality.
Hospitality. Tourism in hospitality. You want to be a chef, or you want to be a helicopter assistant or something like that? A chef. But me, I'm a chef. Maybe I can teach you sometimes. For you? Are you doubting it all?
Yeah.
Maybe I should look for some pictures or what. I don't know why people doubt it when I tell them that I'm a chef. So what are you waiting for here?
My sister.
Your sister? She's still at school or?
Yeah, she was attending another class, but she's saying she was on their way.
Oh, so you live in Obs?
Yeah.
Okay, I see. Let me see if I have some pictures here. But I think yeah, that's me. Me and my brother to work like. I make content, so this one I was trying to make a thumbnail, you know what I'm saying? But that's me if you can look. If you can check the videos, and this one I'm just right like. If you go straight to Long Street there, that's where I work at the end of Long Street. I make crepes, sushis, what, you know what I'm saying? Waffles and stuff. Yeah. So what are you up to? What are you doing? You said you're waiting for your sister. So are you on Instagram, WhatsApp, or something else? Maybe I can just quickly grab your numbers or something. WhatsApp. So how old are you?
20.
20. Oh, I thought maybe you're something like 18, 19. You look so young. Maybe it's just because you bath too much. Oh, so maybe I'll just save it, wife, so that I won't forget. Yeah. Anyways, let me just rush to work. Like I started to work, you know what I'm saying? So I have to go and do some preps and stuff. You see? Thank you for meeting, you know? Alright, sure, let me go. This one is a hot guy. This one should stop playing with me. Me, I'm too much. Like me, I'm too much. Me, I finished the sports. Those sports were meant for me. Yes, that's what I'm saying. Oh, nice dog. What's his name? Is it a boy? A girl? She's cute. Why is this you're eating yourself? Just yourself. Did you call yourself waffles for you? Oh, okay. You should do something for you. See what I'm trying to say? What's happening here? This nigga selling some stuff. Guys, you see, I tried a lot. Okay, let's go and end the video there. Come here. Yes, sir. Bad guys, I think we have come to the end of the video. You see, guys, I've tried a lot meeting those people and stuff, but yeah, like it's not easy, man. It's too much, you know. Trying to do some pickup lines. So, if you guys like this type of videos, you have to comment down in the comment section. I'll keep on shooting them. I'll keep on giving you those videos. There's a girl there. Oh, wait. It's not finished yet. Let's go. Which one? Black one. Okay. Okay. Let me just sign and grab the last one. The last quick one. Guys, seems like there's a strike or a demonstration. I don't know what's taking place there. I don't know what's popping there, but yeah, maybe we can just end our video here, and maybe we can shoot the part 2 in the park. Okay, let's see, guys. This guy is going to shoot some stuff there. He's going to check the sounds. So my man, help me with the freaky questions.
My brother. Those things they'll just pop up if we get there.
If I get there. Okay. What's good, fam? How's it? Are you okay? Why are you looking like you did not eat in the morning? Why are you not smiling?
We are hungry.
Yeah, hungry. But it's Easter, most you should be fasting. Anyways, I'm here with.
Easter is over.
Yeah, what's your name?
Sihle.
Sisle.
Aphelele.
Apelele.
Buhle.
Okay. Oh, you guys with names are fun. Yeah. Are you from Soweto or from Eastern Cape? What's the meaning of your names? Is it Kosa or Zulu?
Yes.
Your names are funny. Maybe
Can you
you should.
take a picture of us?
You want a picture? Okay.
With our phone, please.
Okay. With your phones or with our phone?
Can take it with you.
With yours?
Okay. No worries. Let me take you. So what are you guys doing here in the park? This park is for lovers. I see you guys. You're lonely here. You don't have lovers. What are you doing here? Yeah, change poses. Show me that nyashis. Yeah, another poses. You want to stop? You want to pose for a picture like this guy? What's his name? Is it Sisi John Rose? Let's go. Mama G, you can join me. You can join there.
You go. Now, so guru my photo.
Best cameraman in the world. Hey, this one is too much.
Guys, anyone sing?
I think all of them they are singing. You guys have men.
I'm married.
You're married?
Yeah, they're married, bro.
Hi, we don't wear rings in my culture. So it's ever heard of that?
So do you have a kid?
Thank you.
All the angles, man. I can't see your face. I can't see your face with the cap. I still can see it.
Are you playing? What type of plane is this? This is playing.
How far is it maybe? 1,000 Ks. So how are you?
Check all of them.
Those guys, they have iPhones. They will edit on their phones. You can edit them.
Editor ke zesiphi edit ngikwazi.
Okay.
Edit efoni yakho. Sorry, edit efoni yakho. Yo, sorry.
Okay. Okay, so guys, we have a deal here. You guys, I just want to ask you 2 questions. This one, you said your name is in QA. You said you're married. So I want to ask you.
I'm not married, I was lying.
You are lying. I know. You have not finished joling.
Let's finish.
Yeah, sure. You should jola before you get married. So how long do you think a man should stay in bed? How long do you think a man should? 2 hours straight. How long?
30 minutes.
30 minutes, 1 round.
Yeah.
1 round, 30 minutes. So how many rounds do you think? Don't worry, my sister. Others they say 2 hours. You will be shocked. This one you say 4 hours. Okay. So you mean 30 minutes and how many rounds?
3.
3 rounds. So it means 1 hour 30 minutes.
Yeah, 1 hour 30 minutes.
Okay. So what's the body count? Or you never remember?
Two.
2 only.
Yes.
So which means it's still tight. This one.
Yeah.
Too tight. So, okay, let me go on this one. I'll see my sister. Are you guys running away? But don't worry. I will blur your faces. Like I will close them. No worry. Plus my audience is in Zimbabwe. Plus my audience is in Zimbabwe. They will never know you. Okay. You can face there. Okay. I can ask you why you are facing there, not facing the camera. So my sister, how long do you think a guy should stay in bed? What sound? Yeah. Which one? This one? Yeah, you my sister. This one is calling you. So guys, do you have Instagrams? Don't have? Okay. Cool. Alright guys. So guys, see you. Alright, cool guys. So yeah. Yo. These girls. I thought maybe they are going. These girls, I thought maybe they are going. What are they saying? They did not take their pictures. Okay guys. So alright bet guys, we have come to the end of the video. So this girl is sitting alone. Yeah, what's up? This girl. Okay, let me send you on WhatsApp. The time is gone.
Yeah.
Okay, so I bet guys, thank you for watching the video. Please like this video and get it to 1K likes without any further ado. Peace out.